why Nvidia want investment in a Perplexity AI, and why Ukraine says Russia is not ready for new ceasefire, and why Iran's new sanctions keep oil and market nervous, and why Gulf stock rises as oil prices support energy shares. These are major updates you never find on mainstream media, so watch this video till it. Now let's move our first and major story. Global share market. Gulf stock market moved higher on Sunday as higher oil prices improved investors' sentiment. Saudi Arabia's main index gained 1.1% and Egypt's EGX30 also gained 1.1%. These moves may look small, but they are important because Gulf stock market are closely connected to energy prices and development in the Middle East. Oil is a major part of economic story in the Gulf. When oil prices rise, investors can become more positive about the earnings and economic outlooks for companies connected to energy. This was visible in some of the individuals' stocks. Saudi Arabian mining gained about 4%. The National Security and Shipping Company of Saudi Arabia jumped 9.5%. These gains shows us how investors were responding positively to the stronger oil prices environment and related market expectations. Look this article of Reuters, but there is another side of story. High oil prices can good for oil producing economies and energy companies, but they can also create problems for wider global economy. If oil companies significantly more expensive, countries that import large amount of energy can face higher costs. Businesses may have pay more for transportations and production. Consumers may also face higher fuel costs, and this can increase inflation. So investors are facing a complicated situation. On one side, higher oil prices can support Gulf economies and energy related companies. On the other side, higher oil prices can create inflation pressure globally. This is why the developments involving Iran are so important for financial market. The possibility of new US sanctions against Iran is creating uncertainty around future oil supplies and shipping. If tensions remain under control, markets may continue to focus on economic growth and company earnings. But if tensions increase significantly, oil prices could become much more volatile. This could create larger move across global financial market. The Gulf stock market reaction therefore give us an important signal. Investors are currently paying close attention to oil prices. They are also watching the geopolitical situation. Saudi Arabia is one of the most oil producer, and development in the region can have major impacts on investors' expectations. Egypt is also an important market in the region, and its stock market gained 1.1%. The movement in the Gulf share shows how quickly financial market can respond to changes its energy sentiments. It also shows why investors can't look at a stock market separately from geopolitics. A political event can affect oil can affect corporate profit, and corporate profit can affect stock prices, and stock prices can affect investors' confidence. This connection is particularly strong in the energy producing regions. For now, Gulf stocks are benefiting from stronger oil prices and improved sentiment, but investors remain in tensions because the Middle East situation is still developing. The market can change quickly if there is a major development involving Iran and USA, shipping routes or oil supplies. So the further key message in is this: Gulf stocks are moving higher as oil prices support sentiment, but geopolitical risk remain as a major factor for investors. Now we move our second major story, and this one is about Russia and Ukraine war. Ukraine's President Vladimir Zelensky has said that Russia is not ready for ceasefire involving Gainsay. This comes as a wider war continue and diplomatic efforts have still not produced a small path toward peace. The issue of grain ship is a particularly important because Ukraine is a major agricultural producer of the region. The movement of grain through the Black Sea has been as an important international issue throughout the war. Disruption to Ukrainian agriculture export can have consequences far beyond Ukraine. Countries that open Countries that depend on food imports can be affected by changes in a grain supply, prices, and shipping. That means the Ukraine war has both geopolitical and economical dimensions. But at least message from Zelensky suggests that there are still major differences between two sides. Ukraine says Russia is not ready for proposed ceasefire involving grain ships. At the same time, fighting continues. On 23 August, Ukrainian officials report Russian attacks, including an attack near Kharkiv that make a casualty for 3 people. These attacks shows us the conflict remain active despite diplomatic discussion. This is one of the biggest challenges facing any peace effort. Diplomacy can take place at the same time as a military activity continue on the ground. This create a very difficult environment for us negotiation. Ukraine also face another major political issue. Zelensky has warning Zelensky gave a warning that holding an election while the war is still active could divide the country and damage Ukraine. The question of election during wartime is a highly sensitive. Ukraine has been under enormous pressure because of the ongoing conflict, and political decisions must be made while the country is dealing with military attacks and security concerns. An election normally requires stable conditions, but a country at a war faces very different circumstances. There are questions about security, voting access, displaced citizens, and ability to conduct a fair political process. That's why Zelensky's warning is a significant. What is your opinion on this news? Comment below in comment box and subscribe Close Letter Analysis.
Yeah.